Hi everyone, welcome back to the quiz. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the new Windows 11 Start menu instantly and bring back the old classic Start menu. So this is the new Start menu that Microsoft recently rolled out in Windows 11. Now, a lot of people don't like it because it takes up too much space and they just want to go back to the old classic layout. So let's get started. First, open your browser and let's go to this GitHub website. You'll find the link in the video's descriptions below. We're going to download a small tool called ViveTool. Now the latest version should be this one here. This tool lets you disable Windows hidden features, including the new Start menu, so we can bring back the classic one. Go ahead and click on this link to download the zip file. It's a very small file. Once it finished downloading, open your downloads folder and let's right click on the file and select extract all. After extracting it, you'll see a new folder. Now to make things easier, let's rename the folder. Right click on it and let's rename it to Vive all lowercase. Double click on the folder to open it, then copy the folder path from the address bar at the top. Next, we need to open the command prompt as administrator. Go to the Windows search bar and type cmd, then click Run as administrator. In the command prompt window, type cd, then press space, then right-click your mouse to paste the folder path, then press enter. And now we should be inside the Vive directory. Next, let's type the following command: ViveTool space / disable space / ID : 47205210 and press enter. Here, we're providing the new Start menu feature ID to disable it. If everything worked correctly, you should see the message successfully set feature configuration. Now you need to restart your PC to apply the changes. And once restarted, open your Start menu and you should see the classic Start menu back again. And that's how to go back to the classic Start menu. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.